Morning guys, it's about 7:30 a.m. on Saturday. It's been a long week of working on the X3, but now it's gonna finally pay off. We're gonna take the new RZR out on the trails. It's gonna be a little rainy today. Should be interesting. It's raining right now, kind of off and on down here in Lansing, but it might be more consistent once we get up north. I'll definitely be using my frog dogs. Well, hopefully the trails aren't like this. It's coming down right now. Well, we're about to head on the Leota trails. Should be a good time. It's gonna be raining, that's why I'm in all my big frog tog gear. So we will see you guys on the trail. Made it back from a nice day of riding. Didn't film too much stuff as I was still learning the machine, and the trails were pretty rough by Leota and St. Helen. It was cool. I got to see Andrew from Dark Horse, stop by his place, check it out. He's got some pretty cool stuff there. He's staying pretty busy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I might do a little video of unloading, probably not though. So I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I'll be able to get some better footage of the XPS in the future, but this is kind of what I was limited to with what we were doing today with some other folks. See ya.